Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I think this is the most luxurious bath mat I have ever had.
This Bohemian designed vintage bathroom runner is from Uphome, and this is in the 24 by 71 inch. It is so soft. You cannot even imagine how soft this is. It literally feels like you're walking on a cloud, and it is so beautiful. It was the perfect thing to replace this old ratty runner that we had. And I just love how nice and thick this is with this incredibly sturdy material. And it is so great because it is non slip. So you can jump around on this thing, it's not going anywhere. The best part of all of it is that it's machine washable as well. I just love how high quality this bath mat is. I think it's perfect.
So treat yourself to a luxury and get this bath mat. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.